Hi, and welcome to Feature of the Day here at BobCAD-CAM. Did you know that the Advanced C-Level Finish has the ability to work with two different stepovers, move to patterns and parameters, and pick adaptive depth of cut? This feature allows you to set up a minimum stepover and a maximum stepover and have the system work with that ratio, as you can see here. Now, you can also trim the adaptive cut so it only cuts and has the smaller stepover where is necessary. This is extremely helpful as you will only be cutting with a smaller stepover in the areas where it's needed, as you can see here. Well, this is going to save you a lot of time. Thank you and have an amazing day.